My name is Stefan, and in this short K2-based training video, I want to explain you everything you need to know about the K2 Webshop Connect feature. So imagine you're done. You're on the summary page, means you have your bill of material, the project is completely done, and your customer wants you to actually install that. You, of course, then need to buy the structure, which you typically do from the distributor that you trust the most, right? And the process used to be very manual. Means you typically would copy and paste the article numbers plus the quantities into the web shop of your distributor. And since that's painfully slow, we thought of, hey, let's have an API connection there. And that's exactly what we did. So if you go down here, there's the whole K2 Plus Wholesalers web shop button. If you click on it, you will then be able to transfer the data into the web shop. In this case, as you can see, there's no web shops listed. Reason being, I didn't put them in yet. So how does that work? It's actually quite easy. Your company administrator in your MyK2 account is the one that is able to set that. Just going to show you how that's done. So if you're an admin, you see that Webshop Connect button up here. You can click on it, and then you see pre-filtered based on the country that you're in. In this case, the company I'm part of is registered in Germany, so I see the German web shops. I, of course, can also switch that. And let's say I only want to see the ones in France. See, that's the way that will work. And how do you actually set it? Really easy. You just click on the sliders. So I'm just going to take some random ones here. As you can see, quite fast. The cool thing is you don't have to save it; it automatically saves it, right? So there's no save button here. So once I'm back in base, I can just refresh the page, and the change is instantly reflected here. So once I click on it, I will then see the web shops that I just selected as an admin. Just going to take this one here to show you how that would work, right? Same principle as with all the other K2 Plus connections. There's a new tab opening up, in this case with the web shop of the partner that you selected. And there's one additional really nice feature that's also going to save you some time. We have a pop-up in base here, as you can see, and here it is that 11 out of 11 articles have been found in the web shop and could be transferred. In case an article is not listed, you would also see it here with the article name and the article number, so you can easily adapt in base.